All right, so the question has been asked, why haven't I been driving the RX-7? Where's the RX-7 been? Don't you want to drive? Yes, I do. This is the sad state of the RX-7. It was a fire and looks like it was in fallout. No, not a fire with the car. No, car's fine. It was smoke over the skies, dropping down the damnedest of ashes. And it got in my interior too. Unfortunately, the RX-7 has been sitting here since I came back from LA with it. Fuel pump is needed to be swapped or tested. I gotta do that. Matter of fact, forget all the talking. Look at the sad state of this car. And we're gonna bring it back today. So, got a fuel pump. Gonna get it off the trailer, clean it up, test the current fuel pump in it. Hopefully, replacing the fuel pump is gonna, resolve the issues that it's been having. But either way, we're just gonna clean this bitch up. We're gonna clean it up right now. Goodness gracious. Definitely see how filthy she is. I got her straight out of the ghettos of Chernobyl. This thing looks crazy. But we have to address one thing after we change the fuel pump. See the little fuel leak still spurting. So I'm definitely going to try to address that a little bit better now that I'm at home. We're gonna sort her out. So we're in the garage. We can get this figured out. Everything else is prime though. The car is in great condition, aside from how it looks. Alright, so excuse the dryer running, but we'll just jump right into it. I've got the power disconnected. Still have that little fuel seep issue here. It's this line right here. And I've already taken up the fuel pump, so I'm just gonna disconnect the lines. It's a small Aeromotive unit that I've used for a while. Damn, yo. Look at it, how filthy this fuel filter is. Look at that. I fully forgot that we modified this joint. So our new fuel pump, it's 340 here. It comes with everything that it thinks I'll need. I like this. This has a bigger fuel sock at the bottom. I'm going to continue to use this harness connector to connect to that, and that's going to go to the new fuel pump. Alright, so that's all done. And now let's get that other pump off and the new one on. Now, just off GP, I do not believe that this fuel pump is actually terribly bad now that I look at it. And I'm gonna leave it as is, keep it in the toolbox. And I'm gonna get a new one of these just to see. All right, y'all, pump is in. Let's hook up power and see if she primes. All right, it's priming. Okay. The messed up part is every test that I've tried to see if we could remedy it or if we've got the remedy, it's not going to show anything. Only time it's actually died out on me is actually really drifting it. And obviously I can't do that right now. So I'm gonna have to wait until Sonoma, which is kind of annoying, only because if it still has a problem, it's the logistics of getting there and back and whatever, but it is what it is. I guess we'll just have to see what happens once we get to Sonoma. And I'm not fully convinced that this is going to solve our issue that we have, but I mean, at least it's safe to say we'll be narrowing down what could be the issue. You see what I'm saying? All right, so that also confirmed that we didn't have the fuel spray shooting out there, so I got that doubled up. As you can see, we got 2 of them jam blazes on that thing. So 2 birds with 1 stone. Cool. We still don't know if we knocked out the 3rd, if we can get the triple play, because I won't know unless I drive the car. But we do have a completely filthy car inside and out, so let's get to cleaning that after I put that back on. Pull the car out, and I hate sitting with mismatched wheels, so we gonna change that out just because I'm petty. Put her in one piece, got the wheels on proper, give her a deep cleaning and then vacuum the inside, clean the windows. And that'll be it for her until we get the driver and test her on Sonoma's days. So, fingers crossed it's working out, man.
Eventually.
Oh, man. Oh, that's good. That's real good. All right, we finally got Jalen off of Fortnite and outside. We're gonna get these TEs looking a little bit better. I still gotta send these to get powder coated. I'm so behind schedule on everything that I've needed to and wanted to do to this car. I just want to drive her again. Oh man. You get this?
Yes.
You got all of that?
I just
You got all of that.
I just did that.
All right, get the rest. Remember, if somebody comes up and says, your wheels is dirty, I'm pointing to you and say it's Jalen's fault. She's looking all right now. Just got to get most of the smoke, debris out of the inside and some of the water from washing the car, and we're good. All right, so quick detour from doing a little bit of work on the car. It's all solid because I'm gonna get everything completed that I needed to get completed probably tomorrow. The car is done and ready to roll. I actually don't have anything else to do to it. Damn, I think we got everything completed. So the first ride we're gonna jump on is the Superman joint. I've never been on it. Jalen has though, last time he came with his cousins. So let's make this headache really crack. Jalen ready? Mike ready? He said he ain't been here in ages, so.
I ain't been here since my teen days.
It's a super compact ass ride, just all in one spot. Hella loops and twists. Seems like it's gonna be mad short. Is it short?
A little bit.
What's the sketchiest part?
When you take off. But like you get it's not like scary. You'll see.
You said I'll see? Alright. Oh my God, here we go. We eating, hands out, hands out. Oh shit! Oh my God! Oh, Lord have mercy. Jesus. Oh, that is so offsetting, blood. Holy shit. Okay, that one's. This fool Jalen said it ain't that bad.
It was cool.
Yeah, it wasn't bad. It was sketchy though. Mad sketchy.
Those slow upside down loops wasn't it.
Yeah, that wasn't the jam.
I don't have faith in those sports.
Yo, that's
I'm
why
out
I
here.
was holding the front of the thing like, yo, I'm gonna hang on one hand if I
I'm
get
heavy.
loose.
I start feeling myself. I don't know. This little locking mechanism might just be like, yeah, bro, we ain't
Oh,
doing
man.
you today.
So,
Be that one person the lock gives up on.
we're gonna get on that Wonder Woman whip, but it broke right before we got on. And neither of us were mad at it because we kind of didn't really want to ride it. Jalen kept trying to say he had to pee,
I did.
but we're gonna jump on this Medusa right now.
I don't really like Medusa anymore.
You don't like it no more?
It's okay. It's just a drop.
That drop, it's only one drop.
I know, but you.
I'm setting my GoPro up. All right, we out. The Jalen was bugging. For whatever reason, he's already ridden it a few times. What? Oh, they upside down? They ain't stuck though. You ready? Here we go, buddy. It's all right, we're doing a right turn. Whoa! That looks so close. Yeah, we jamming on this one, boy. This one rides. Hey, oh shit. Oh, this mother is violent. Yo, yo. I got my feet mad tucked, cuz. Hey, and stop. Rimbos. Oh, shit. So we just seriously went back to back on this roller coaster, and guess the rule is if nobody's in that line on your row, stay on and keep it rocking. So that was pretty dope, but I already had a headache. Huh? What'd you say? Got Nicole over here. It's her birthday coming up here next weekend, actually. It was cool to take a break from everything and just come play over here at the amusement park. Living across the street from it, kind of, you know, it's like when you live somewhere really close, you don't go to the place that everybody else goes to just because you live that close. We're gonna end up knocking out the last couple of rides and head home. So it's a good way to spend a summer evening out here. Plus I got Jalen out the house and off of Fortnite. Next video, we're gonna jump back on the FZR and try to knock out a few things and start with the mods. You guys already said you wanted to see a couple of different mods happen at different times and not all at the same time. So I think that'll kind of save me the headache since it's been so damn hot, instead of me knocking out hella stuff at one time, just being in the garage all day long, which I can only do on Mondays. So anyway, we're gonna knock this out. I'll see you guys in the next video. I'm on baby duty right now as the wife rides. Andre was bugging out.
Dedication, hard work, plus patience. To some more of my sacrifice, I'm done waiting. Told you that I wasn't playing. Now you hear what I've been saying. Dedication.